Hi, I'm Miranda, and this is How to Norby with links. You can use Norby as your link in bio and link out to all your social profiles and content. You can even set up call to actions that allow you to communicate directly with your audience via call, text, or email. Here's how. Here you can see all of your live links. To create a new link, click New. First, you'll decide where you want your link to point to. That is, what happens when someone clicks the link. With Norby, you can point to a URL, such as a YouTube video, another Norby page, or even kick off a call to action, like sending an email, a text, or a call. With texting and calling, you can directly link to a phone number of your choice. With our growth plan, you can even have your own Norby phone number set up without the hassle. And lastly, you can send an Instagram DM straight from your own account. Pro tip, you can use quick access to auto-populate information, such as your socials, or even for your URLs, you can auto-populate your website. Now let's add details that'll be displayed when you see the link. For the title, let's say, check out our website, and you can add a description. You can decide the alignment of this text, whether it's left, center, or right. And lastly, you can add an image to spruce it up a bit. When you're done, go ahead and click Publish. To check out your link, simply hover over Share and click Copy Link. Norby generates a shortened URL for you, so when you hit Copy and Paste, there you see your custom link. When you're ready, you can also add this link to your link in bio. Simply click the plus sign, select Link, and then choose our link. Check out our website. And there you have it.